Don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and let me know what you think in the comments below.
Hello wonderful people, welcome back to the startup review. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can apply the new RWS Search Quality Rater job in the US. Okay, so we just entered 2026. Okay, so if you are looking for a channel that is going to provide you the trusted online jobs that you are going to apply this year, make sure you follow this channel. Okay, so if today is your first time, make sure you like, subscribe, and then comment anything you think you didn't understand in the video. Okay, now let's get started. So before you start applying or before you start searching for the job, the first thing you need to do is that you have to search for the job on Google. Okay, so the name of the job is called RWS TrainAI Search Quality Rater. Okay, this job is in a lot of countries. It's in UK, Canada, and other European countries. Okay, now if you search for it on Google, you are going to see this first two results. So click on this, the second one, the results that says that RWS TrainAI Search Quality Rater English. Okay, now if you click on it, it's going to bring you to this application page. Now what are you going to do next? So the first thing you are going to do is you're going to attach your CV. Now what is going to happen if you attach your CV? The system is going to extract your name, your email, your phone number, your location, and then the current company you are working in. Now take note of this star here. This ones indicate that this portion or this section is what? Compulsory. So unlike this one, it does not have it, meaning that you can skip this part. Okay, now the same followed to here. You are going to choose which country you live in, how long you've living in the country, and so on. Okay, now for my end, I have to hide the details I'm going to use. I'm going to hide the information I'm going to use for my application. So after you are done with everything, you see your information here, and then we continue from this part. Okay, so let's get into it. Now I'm done with mine, that's why I've scrolled to this point. Okay, now let's continue with the application. So at this part, they are going to be asking you, what country do you live in? Obviously in the United States. So let's select United States, which is yes, United States. Now how long have you been living in the United States? Okay, so if you're an immigrant, you can choose 5+, but if you are a real US citizen by birth, you choose my entire life. Okay, for my end, I'll use 5 years plus. Okay, now the next thing is, what is your native language? My native language is obviously English language, so you just look for English language for United States, which is English for United States. Yes, this one. That's it. So if you're in the UK, you also choose English in the United Kingdom. Okay, as followed. Now the next part is the state you are in. Okay, so for my end, I'm in Texas. Okay, yes. Now the next question is, how fluent are you with your English? Yes, I'm fluent with it. And do you have a smartphone or a personal computer? Yes, I have a smartphone and a personal computer. The next question is, can you work between 10 to 29 hours in a week? Obviously yes, we can do that. And do you accept the pay rate? This is very important. So you are going to be getting $15 per hour. Now the interesting part is that this company is going to pay for your certain tax. Okay, it's going to pay for certain tax, but I don't exactly know the tax. But one one other thing I know is that they also gives out health tax too. That's what I know. Okay, now after the tax and everything, maybe you'll be earning around 13 or 12. Yes, so for that one we choose yes, we agree with the pay. Okay, now they ask you, have you ever worked in this project before? No is the answer. Okay, this is our first time applying the job. Now, are you 18 years and above? Yes, obviously. Now the next thing is that if you have applied this job before previously, okay, you need to tick yes, meaning that you have waited for 6 months to get this opportunity again. Now if you have not applied this job before, you click on no. Okay. Now this part says that if you have applied before, then enter the date, but if not, use NA. So we are going to use NA. The next part is where did you hear from us? Obviously I'm going to choose Google or YouTube. Okay, so if you heard from us you just use YouTube. Okay, that's fine. Now the next part is your additional information, which is not compulsory because of the star, so we can just leave it. When you're done, you just click on this and then click on submit. I've already done an application today, so the application is going on. See, it has been submitted. Okay, today I did an application today, so it was submitted. Okay, so yeah, this is how we are going to apply the job. Now the next section is that we are going to follow up in our email to make sure that they've approved our application. Okay, so in our email they sent me this I think 24 minutes ago. After the application, they sent it right after you submit the you click on the submit button. Okay, so you go to your personal email that you used to apply for the job. Now you are going to get this, you are going to be getting this link. Okay, now this takes you to this page. Okay, now what you're going to do, you are going to give them further information that they need. That's your first name and last name, your personal email, the email you used to apply for the job, and then your phone number without the plus and then the colons. Okay, sorry, the semicolons. Okay, so that's it. Let me complete mine and then submit it, and let's see what we get as a feedback. Now we are done with everything. We selected the country. The next part is to go to submit. Okay, so after you submit this, you are going to get this information. Okay, now we've completed the application. Now they are going to send us another email. Okay, you're going to send us another email that they've received. Okay, that's it. So now we have to do some some training, which is their policy. We have to do a training. Okay, so now what we are going to do is that we are going to open this training in another video. Okay, we can't put it in this video, which will be long. Okay, so make sure you follow the channel for this video. Okay, it is very important. You can't finish the application without the training or the training video. Okay, so thank you for watching. Make sure you stay tuned to the channel, subscribe for the next video to be posted. Have a nice day.
Don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button, and let me know what you think in the comments below.